Alright, y'all, time to spread more mud. TFG and Mike here from the GeekCast Radio Network. Alright, mud. Okay. How's everyone's 2026 going so far? Mine's going alright. I'm preparing to get a bunch of stuff done, hopefully. Besides doing these videos, I got a bunch of podcasts I got to catch up on still, and a bunch of other things. So, just waiting on some stuff to come through. Which reminds me, I have to get those TV things ready for the artwork. Alright, so I wonder if I did this. That's a boop. Nope. That did nothing to the center of the thing. Are you serious? That's ridiculous.
I have the power! Yum! Holy crap!
Okay, we got 9 left. Three. Alright, let's see what these race cars do. I think these race cars are gonna do a damn thing. Nope, they didn't do Nikes. So they're useless. I wish that third dog power-up would actually be different. 1 left. Where? Oh, hell.
I have the power!
There we go. Mud! Oh!
That's what I'm talking
Mud!
about!
Gotta go! No! Oh no, it's after 3 minutes. Which means you're gonna get a second level, folks, because I'm not hurrying this up. Not this time. So yeah. Alright, beat stupid clock. I wonder if this is gonna be that beat stupid clock of, hey, spend 10 seconds in the level and you'll beat it.
Are you ready?
No. Alright, so this is another cactus level. We get rid of those.
Ladies? Sup, ladies?
Wow, this is not...
Sup, ladies? Friend?
Okay, well, that's close enough, I guess. I don't know. Oh, so close.
Holy crap!
There we go. Haha. Well, we beat that stupid clock. There you go, folks. 1662 and 1663. All in under 5 minutes. 1664. We'll save that. You know what? Screw it. Screw it. I don't care anymore. I'm just willy-nillying out here. Making this the longest video of the day, maybe.
Sup, ladies?
I don't even know what that barrel is for. I gotta remind myself. 1 star.
Sup, ladies? Sup, ladies? Sup, ladies? Holy crap! I have the power! Sup, ladies? Sup, ladies?
Damn it. There we go. Okay, so just over 6 minutes. There you go, folks. I know my longer videos don't get a lot of views, which is fine, but hey, I had to do it. So there you go, folks. That's it for me. Catch you in the next one.